So I just went and activated a brand new Google business listing for a brand new business. And this is the first time I've ever seen this new thing that Google's doing where you manage the entire listing from the search page. So I just Googled the name of the company and I can see the listing over here on the side. And I've got all of my, normal stuff that's normally found in the Google My Business dashboard. It's now right here on the search page. And so I can edit everything. I can look at performance, and I can do everything from here. And I just used this new feature to verify this listing. And as many of you know, lately when you get your postcard from Google and you put in the little code that you find on the inside, they're immediately suspending your listing. And in order to get it active again, you have to go through weeks of submitting tickets and trying to deal with Google support, and it's just generally a pain in the butt. And today was the first time that when I went to verify, it asked me to use the new interface. And I tried not to, but it kept insisting that I use it. And so I said, screw it. And I went ahead and I used the new interface and I input the code like I normally would. And it verified immediately and I didn't get suspended. And so this might be, something to look into if you're just trying to verify your listing. Um, Obviously, Google's been going through some changes, releasing this new interface, and so maybe that has something to do with why been having so many issues with the old system. But I'll be doing a breakdown of this in more detail here in the next few days, and we'll walk through and check it out together and see what's new, what's old, and just generally take a closer look at it. So. Hopefully, you guys and girls who are having trouble with suspended listings can get those things activated and start using this new interface.